Hi, this is Franklin from IamDream.net, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use your autoresponder code in the WP Optin Express plugin. Again, this plugin will work with any autoresponder. You just take your HTML code and it integrates with any autoresponder that way. So let me show you how easy it is. We'll go over here and we're going to create a new page. And this is for when you're creating squeeze pages. It's the same for the basic or the image background, but basically I'm not going to go over any of the other settings. We're just going to deal with the autoresponder code today. So this is where you paste in your autoresponder code in this box here. Now your autoresponder code that you paste in needs to be the HTML code. It can't be JavaScript or anything else. You need to paste in your HTML code. And you'll notice if I paste in the code, it might not fill out these forms, name field, email, post URL, and hidden field right away. So all I need to do is go back into this box here and click enter or any keystroke, and it will fill out this automatically. Then after this, all you need to do is just go and publish your page, save your page, and then test to make sure it's working correctly. Now, if it's not working correctly, then you want to go back in here and double check your name field, email field, post URL, and hidden fields and make sure they're correct. And you do that just by looking at your form code here. So if you don't know HTML, it's still pretty easy. Okay, the form post method is post, action is this. So this URL up here is where the code is posting to. So this is your post URL. You want to make sure that's correct. And then usually after that you have your name and email fields. And you want to make sure the name field lines up with this name field here. You notice here we got name equals fname, and fname is what it pulled in here. That's correct. And the same with the email. You want to make sure the name is email here and it's pulling in email there, because this is the value that needs to be there for it to be correct. And then the fourth thing you need to check is the hidden field values, and that's basically this right here. And you'll see the form pulled this in correctly. They're all the same. You just want to make sure those are correct, because this is what's telling you autoresponder what list they're signing up to usually. Or if you have some tracking installed or something like that, it will do the tracking for you through your autoresponder service. So this is how we create a squeeze page. Let me show you in the Lightbox pop-up. It's the exact same thing. I already have some of the settings in here already. But basically, our opt-in form code goes right here. Okay? So basically, we're going to do the same exact thing. We just basically put in our code. And if it's not working, we want to view the autoresponder code first. And see, again, the same thing happened. It didn't pull in these fields automatically. So we just go back up here. We do a keystroke like enter, and it enters these values. Again, you can double check them the same way as we went over before, and basically you just click save changes as, and again test your pop-up form. Make sure you're getting a sign up through there on your when you test it out, so you know that when it's live and people are signing up, you're actually getting those opt-ins to your list, because it's very important. Okay, and again, if it's not working, you just double check and make sure that these fields are correct for the form that you posted here. Okay, so that's how you use your HTML autoresponder code to get WP Optin Express plugin to integrate with any autoresponder service.